In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update profile settings in Smartsheet. Keeping your profile settings up to date helps Smartsheet reflect the way you work, your name and photo, time zone, language preferences, and how you prefer to be contacted. Let's walk through how to get to those controls quickly and confidently. Start by signing in to your Smartsheet account using a desktop browser. The web app provides the full navigation and is the most reliable place to access every setting. Make sure you're on a modern, up-to-date browser for the smoothest experience. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be redirected to authenticate before you land on your Smartsheet home screen. Give the page a moment to load so the interface elements fully appear. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the navigation bar. You'll see the account icon. This is either your profile picture or your initials inside a small circle. It sits below the main navigation options, so you may need to scroll the sidebar a touch if your window is very small. If the left sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge or click the toggle to expand it so the icon becomes visible. The icon is your personal gateway to everything related to your account identity and preferences. Click that account icon to open a compact menu tied specifically to you. From here, choose Personal Settings. This selection opens the hub where you manage details that define your experience in Smartsheet. You'll find areas for your profile information, display preferences, and how Smartsheet communicates with you. Think of it as your control panel for tailoring the app to your needs. While the exact layout can evolve as Smartsheet updates, the essentials remain consistent. Your personal details, regional and display options, and notification-related preferences are kept together so you can review them in one place. A few quick tips as you explore. If you don't see personal settings, make sure you're signed in with the correct account and that your browser hasn't blocked the menu popover. Refreshing the page can help if the menu doesn't load properly. Some organizations also standardize certain settings, so you might notice options that are view-only depending on your account type. That's it, you've successfully navigated to personal settings. From here, you can review and fine-tune the way Smartsheet presents information to you and how it identifies you to collaborators. Remember, these changes affect only your personal experience and profile within your organization's environment. When you're done, simply close the panel or navigate back to your sheets and dashboards. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more personalized Smartsheet workflow.